Here's how to add numbers together in Excel. This is a really basic function, but it's one of those building blocks you have to have if you want to make Excel into a tool that is useful for you and makes your life easier. So real quick, we're going to cover two ways to do it. I'm going to go ahead and add some data here in column A, and then we are going to do our calculations down here. So there's two ways to do it. I'm going to always start with an equal sign that tells Excel that, hey, we're about to calculate something, get ready. So I'm going to hit equals A1 plus A2. And yes, this is the more cumbersome way of doing it, but I'm going to show you the way I prefer here in a second. But this is one way to do it. So you can see how I did that. You can also type in those A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. You can also click on the cell, however you prefer to do it, whatever works for you. It's perfect. Hit enter. There you go. Now, the way I prefer to do it, I like to use Excel functions whenever I can because they tend to be more powerful. I'm going to hit equals, and then the function to add numbers together is called sum, just like the word SUM. So equals sum. Then I'm going to open parentheses. That's how every function that I'm aware of works in Excel. So open parentheses, and then I'm just going to drag like that, A1 to A5, close parentheses, and hit enter. Now these are both live cells, so if we update the data here, they're going to change automatically. As you can see, this can become very powerful when you string together a bunch of these equations, but for now, that's what you got. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, let me know. Tell me what else you want to see, and obviously like this video, subscribe, and more content will be coming to you very soon. Thanks.